Education Board.
Primary Education Board and Vishwa Bharati University to direct one member.
Yes.
And
In
University of
Calcutta
Calcutta. You have no problem with Vishwa Bharati and Calcutta.
The board is the interested
Well,
party.
there has to be
and
one
when they-
person from the the board which has set the exam.
Exactly. So we
Otherwise,
are
my lord,
questioning
this is
the
not that
board's
kind of a
answer.
situation where without reference to the
Your Lordship,
examiner.
There are two, even according to you, there are two members on whom you have no difficulty.
Your Lordship's only one.
Only one.
Only one.
Why?
Only the university member, to which we don't have a problem. We have a
What about
problem.
Vishwa Bharati?
Yes, Your Lordships. We have a problem both with University of Calcutta and nominee of the board.
Why do you have a problem with the University
Because
of Calcutta?
University of Calcutta is the authority which had acted at the behest of the board.
Lord,
And
that,
the opinion, the previous opinion was given by the
it's
university.
on record in my SLP, my lord.
Alright, is it not possible? I mean, just to have, to give to give them a sense of confidence.
Yes.
That, instead of having the University of Calcutta, Vishwa Bharati can be there. And one more independent person.
My lord,
Nominate.
my lord, as far as the board is concerned, my lord, it's just a committee, my lord.
The board has filed an affidavit in the High Court in response to an earlier order saying that what we have done is perfectly right. Our committee has examined it and we have worked very hard. There is no error. Then the High Court refers it to the University of Calcutta. The University of Calcutta comprises a committee of 3 experts. That committee has again filed an affidavit before the High Court saying the questions are all okay, the answers are right, there is nothing wrong. Now our problem is, if out of the 3, who are those 2 whose affidavits are already on the record?
But therefore, we can do this. What you're suggesting is have somebody from the Vishwa Bharati, somebody from Jadavpur.
Yes,
Yes.
Your Lordships.
All right?
And then one.
My lord, the board should
Who are
be
in-
present, my lord.
Lordships, the board cannot be the.
My lord, this is
expert
not that
opinion.
kind of a
Can't
situation.
judge its
What
own
we can
cause.
do is
Yeah.
that we can say that should we say that, subject to, I'll just talk to my brothers, that the secretary of the primary education board will be an ex officio member of the committee
Correct.
to assist the other 2 members. Are you willing to do that?
That can be done. As long as he is not giving an expert opinion on the answers.
Calcutta University is a very large body. I mean, why would this? What we can do is
The other persons. my lord.
that the same member who had given the opinion on behalf of Calcutta University earlier will not be a part of the committee.
Your
That
Lordship,
can be
what
said.
single judge has done.
But these
in
are academic
multiple
questions.
submissions
This is
got-
not, my lord, as if there's a fact-finding mission going on,
What the
in
single
which, my lord,
judge-
adjudication will take
If it
place.
can be restored. It-
What is the order of the single
Yes,
judge?
the learned single judge said,
Jadavpur.
Prefers it to the Jadhav.
for the aforesaid purpose, that is,
Single judge referred to the VC of the Jadavpur University.
correct. To furnish to the Vice Chancellor their documents, let the Vice Chancellor submit a report to the registrar within a period of 1 month.
The point is there were 24 questions.
23 years.
23. Issue is whether the answers were wrongly framed.
Correct.
That's right.
This is really, I mean, what's the big deal about this? There's no issue of bias here.
It's a job, it's the life of every candidate.
But
Your
no,
Lordship.
these are
All
academic
we are
issues,
asking
my lord.
for is neutrality.
Ultimately, it's an academic
all.
issue.
It's a
The
public
examining
employment
body must
issue.
have somebody there.
But we interfere at this stage.
Your Lordship,
Your-
it's only, what
Your
Lordship
Lordship may-
is suggesting is perfectly acceptable. I think even.
We
the
know
Your
board-
Lordship will do one thing, my lord. The University of Calcutta, your Lordship may substitute by the other university, and then that can remain. And the other thing which the division bench of the High Court has done, it has shut us out from filing any representation or any of
Now
our.
they've referred to an academic expert.
Yes.
Trial, my lord.
So the other person will be Vishwa Bharati, right?
Yes. So instead of Calcutta, your Lordship may make it Vishwa Bharati. Let the board be there.
So Vishwa Bharati is already there.
Vishwanath is already
Jadavpur.
there.
Jadavpur.
Jadhav.
Your Lordship, instead of Calcutta, your Lordship may make it Jadavpur.
Whatever, my lord, I leave it to your lordship.
And then the
Well,
board
this
is
is just
there,
a
Jadavpur
committee
is
which
there.
will decide whether an answer to a question is correct.
These candidates, it's a last chance for these candidates,
Well, this is not a political dispute.
whether they have get anything.
Yes.
Thank you. That's me.
Lordship,
Lordship.
the board is also amenable Lordship,
And now
what-
item 16, who is appearing?
Only then one thing, the learned single judge allowed us to give our representation. Please allow us just.
But this is
take a
an
little-
academic issue.
It's an academic issue, let them
There can't be
decide.
a trial on this, my lord.
Yes.
Can there be a time frame for that? If they decide it after a
36
long time, Lord?
Item not at all. Item 16,
My lord, 36 and 38 may be, my lord, connected, my lord.
yes, yes, all three matters.
Yes.
Item 16,
maybe withdraw
Then let's, would we withdraw it?
We are not pressing.
already can withdraw it.
So that
You can-
then we can.
Dismissed as withdrawn.
Withdraw.
No problem.
Very good.
Yes, my lord.
Item 16,
Anyway, it's an interim order. They can go
Item
to the high.
Item 16, yes, your lord.
go to the High Court. Why have you come
Yeah,
under
yeah,
Article
your
32?
lordship, the glaring violation of right.
The High Court under Article 32.
Your lord,
Conditions accordingly dismissed with the grant of liberty in the above terms.
your
Item
lordship, they are
17,
transferring it. Transfer it is a very, we are here dealing with the children of studying in the government schools, your lordship.
can you move the High
See the
Court?
glaring, no,
Item 17,
government has not created,
item 17, please.
government has not created
Item
even a post of
17.
chokidar.
I am in
Oh, sorry,
17, Malay.
sweeper.